Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials ready. Sign into your Google account in the Drive app and confirm the Samsung Gallery app is updated. Once done, open Gallery and tap the menu to locate cloud or backup options. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected and that mobile data backup is allowed if you prefer. Now select folders or individual albums you want to sync. Start small, like recent photos, to verify settings and speed before moving to large libraries. Next, you configure the sync specifics so files land where you expect. In Gallery Backup settings, select Target folders and pick Upload Quality, High Quality Save Space, Original Preserves Resolution. Then, grant permissions for storage access and account use. Without them, sync fails. Also, confirm the Drive destination folder or create a subfolder to keep photos organized. Once configured, trigger a manual upload to test the flow and watch to finish. Verify that photos appear in Google Drive and confirm timestamps match originals. This ensures integrity. Enable automatic backup scheduling in Gallery so future photos sync without intervention, or perform manual syncs when needed. If sync stalls or errors appear, first clear the Gallery and Drive app cache, then sign out and sign back into Google to reauthorize permissions. If problems persist, reboot your device and retry. Often a fresh start resolves background service conflicts and completes the upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.